Hello friends! Welcome back to the second part of our Adobe Illustrator training series. In this lesson, we'll be diving into the Workspace interface of Illustrator. After creating a new document, you'll see a blank artboard. This is your primary workspace where you'll be creating illustrations and developing your designs. You can also utilize the gray areas around the artboard. On the left side, we have the toolbar, which provides easy access to various tools. Over time, we will learn and use these tools. The toolbar also has some functionality. For instance, you can reposition it as needed. When you approach the area where you want to place it, a blue guideline will appear. Once you release it, the toolbar will automatically snap into place. If your toolbar is closed, you can reopen it from the Window menu. At the top of the screen is the menu panel. This panel contains many commands that we will explain as we use them. Below the menu panel is the control panel. This panel allows you to quickly adjust the color, size, and other properties of the selected objects. It is essential for it to be readily accessible. If it closes unexpectedly, you can reactivate it from the Window menu by selecting Control. Another important section is the Panels section on the right side. This area provides access to features that simplify your design work, such as gradients, colors, and lines. You can customize this section by moving and arranging these panels as needed. You can also drag panels from one location to another or collapse and expand them using the arrows at the corners. If panels close, you can restore them from the Window menu. To close a panel, right-click on it and select Close. You can close a single panel or a group of panels at once. In the upper right section, there is a panel for preset layouts. For example, if you want to create a specific type of artwork, you can choose an appropriate preset layout. I personally use the Essentials Classic layout. These other parts are our documents. Here we see two open documents, but we can work with several documents at the same time. In Adobe Illustrator, it is possible to work on different documents in parallel, which makes it easy to switch between projects and work side by side with different designs. At the bottom of the screen, you can adjust the zoom settings to easily zoom in and out of your workspace. The Adjacent tool allows you to rotate the artboard, for instance, by 45 degrees. This feature is a recent addition to Illustrator and helps view designs from different angles. Overall, these are the main components of the Illustrator workspace. You can open and close any panels from the Window menu, helping to customize your workspace to fit your needs. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, and leave a comment. See you soon!